Right, so the question that I'm going to do right now is called move zeros. Given an array nums, write a function to move all zero to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. So the example that they gave us is 0, 1, 0, 3, 12. So this is the input. And basically you want to have to return. So basically we just like move the 0 to here, move the 0 to here. So let's do, so the idea is to get 1, 3, 12. I mean, I have some idea on how to do it, but I'm not sure if it is the most efficient way. You must do this in place without making a copy of the array. Interesting. Minimize the total number of operations. More interesting. So if I do like pop here, it would like create a new array. If I pop here, I have to shift every other value, other elements to the left. So that's basically not valid according to the question. So what I want to do is, what they want me to do is I think every time I hit 0, I want to move the 0 to the front. So every time I have 0, then it's going to be n square. Can I do it like an n square? Oh, I got an idea. I got a good idea. So first, we traverse through. Let me use pencil so it's easy to erase. I got a good idea. So first we need to traverse through it and list all of the 0. So in this case, the 0 and 0 and 2. So zeros in this index. Once we know this index, we want to fill it with other number and next to it. Oh, yes, I got a better idea. And then we have another list called non-zeros, which basically record all the value that is not 0. So in this case, it would be 1, 3, 12. So we might have to use some space, but it's going to save us a lot of time. So this will take on. This will take, yeah, both of this algorithm will not algorithm. In order like to find this 2 value, it take on. So you just like traverse one time. So when you traverse right here, you see 0. You want to store it here. You want to store the index. When you hit 1, you want to store the value 1 in here. When you hit 0, you want to store that to here. Oh, actually, you don't even need this. Yeah, basically we just like record non-zero. So 1, 3, 12. So once you get like all this information, you just do it's just like traverse through that list again. So that list initially have this, right? But when you go through again, you just change this. You change this to 1, change this to 3, change this to 12, and the remaining is just like 0 and 0. All right, let's code. So we get an idea. So first thing first, traverse, create a list called non-zeros, and then we traverse it 1 time for I in range of the interviewer from Google told me, not Google, from Apple told me I should calculate the length of the list on top so it won't get calculated every time I use for loop. So see this. So if the value that we traverse into is not 0, you want to auto-plan it. And then we want to traverse 1 more time. Let's see. So we want to figure out how many times we need to like traverse and through those. So my non-zeros size would be length of non-zeros for I in range of my non-zero size. I want to go through the original list, which is nums, and then I want to update it to non-zeros value. And then I want to go another time to fill everything with 0. So in order to do that, I need to find the remaining 0, which can be found by doing my non-zeros. My survey size of zeros. Be this. Oops, sorry. And you want to fill. Interesting. Okay, so I think the best way is just doing my non-zeros to a size. So in the case of our example above, my size would be, this would be 2, 4, 5. and non-zero psi is should be, in our case it would be 3. 1, 2, 3. So we go through 0, index 1, index 2, and update the value. So right here we will get index 3 to index 5. So we want to fill at index 3 and index 4, because like this will generate 3 and 4. And then we want to do nums and I is equal to 0. 2. Return nums. Something wrong at line 6. Oh, sorry. Runtime errors? So I got it right. Summation detail, runtime bit 43.51%. I'm not sure if what I did is what they want, because right here it mentioned that you must do this in place without making a copy of the array. I didn't make a copy of the whole array. I just copied the part that is not one. Anyway, that's it for today. This is like a good practice. I'm trying to do it at least 5 days a week from now on. Spend at least 1 hour each day doing this. Yeah, and hopefully I will land something soon. Right, thank you, bye.